Okay, kiddo. You ready for your first food? You ready? Okay. Go ahead. Whoa. How was that? What do you think of that? Is that yummy? Oh, I think you like that. What do you think? Yeah, oh, and it's delicious. Yum. Yum. Is that so delicious? Oh, you want some more of that? Let's try again. Here we go. You have no concept of opening. Here we go. Open up. Oh, there we go. Good. What do you think about that? Oh, yummy. I think she likes it. Can I have that? What a mess. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, see, you're not supposed to eat our hands. Mommy needs a better bowl. Here we go, here we go. Good, open up. Open up. Ah, good job. Is that delicious? Whoa. What are you thinking of this, huh? You filling your tummy up nice and good? Open up. Ah, oh, you're a pro. She's a pro. Wow. I didn't know she'd be so good at it. I should be, I should know. Oh, yeah, okay. Mommy's not so good at this. Oh, okay, sorry. Oh. Some more? Oh, you're chewing it? Good job, kiddo. Some more? Ah, yum. You're very good at this. I'm very proud of you. There you go. Okay. Ready? Wow. Oh, sorry. Johnny gets some of it, you silly goose. I hope this is liquidy enough. Some more? Ah, yummy. Oh, that one. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm keeping you. Smile. Need some more? I can't believe how good she is at this.
More's going out than coming in.
No, it's not though. She's like getting through this. Should I not give her? You don't think I should give her not anymore?
No, keep going.
It's like 1 tablespoon. Oh. She doesn't seem to be complaining about it.
It's not like it's hurting her.
Okay. Like some more? Okay, here it comes. What a smile that is. Look. Oh, sorry. There you go. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness gracious. What a hungry girl. Would you like some more? I can't believe it. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.